Let's take a look at the type of machinery being used in sweater manufacturing today. Both flatbed and circular machines are used. Since the majority of sweaters manufactured are cut and sewn, and since a large percentage of these are plain fabric constructions, a lot of sweater fabric production is done on circular weft knitting machinery. However, machinery needs change when more specialized or complex techniques are needed. These techniques include needle bed racking, stitch transfer, and increasing or decreasing the number of needles for shaping and full fashion. Racking is the sideways movement of one needle bed with respect to the other needle bed. The two types of flat machines that are widely used are the V-bed machine and the Lynx machine. V-bed machines have two diagonally aligned needle beds set between 90 and 104 degrees. The beds are aligned with rib gating. Flatbed purl machines have horizontal needle beds. On these machines, the needles are transferred from bed to bed. They're used primarily to simulate hand-knitted constructions such as cable stitches, basket purls, and lace patterning. The original V-bed machine was operated by hand. Still used in some parts of the world, the hand V-bed machine is used to knit fabric for cut and sewn products, fashioned or shaped panels, and full garments. The most commonly used equipment in the United States today is known as the Power Flat V-bed machine. These machines make use of either mechanical or electronic needle selection. Over the last 40 years, many innovations and refinements in knitting technology have gradually evolved and combined to transform the mechanically controlled V-bed machine into a computer-controlled, highly efficient, and versatile knitting machine. The electronic-controlled flatbed machine offers quick response to size, style, and pattern changes. It is versatile, with infinitely variable adjustment of its electronically controlled functions under the guidance of computer software. At a major international textile machine show in 1995, the Shima Seiki Company introduced the first whole garment knitting machine. This technology can complete on the knitting machine a garment that requires no further cutting or sewing. Since then, other machine manufacturers, such as Stoll, have also introduced whole garment technology. The basic components of the V-bed flat machine are needle beds, needles, cam carriage and cams, yarn carriers, yarn tension controls, yarn creels, and fabric takedown. The needle bed is an essential part of the knitting machine. It is a precise metal plate with needle slots or tricks cut at regular intervals. The platform used to hold the knitting cams above the needle bed is called the carriage. The carriage traverses from side to side, moving the yarn and the cams, which activate the knitting needles. Carriages and cams are arranged into what is called knitting systems. A single system will knit one course of rib in one traverse, whereas a double system machine will knit two courses of rib per traverse. The more systems, the higher the production rate can be. Another way to increase production is to increase the number of carriages. Two carriages can produce two pieces at the same time. They are known as tandem carriages.